This is the Grohe Eurosmart Cosmopolitan E basin mixer with mixing device and adjustable temperature limiter. With its infrared controlled sensor for improved comfort and hygiene, it's the perfect solution for care environments, restaurants and hotels. It comes with a convenient high spout. The infrared technology allows automatic non-touch operation, reducing water consumption and increasing hygiene and comfort. With the slim and elegant mixing device, you can easily adjust the desired water temperature. And the adjustable temperature limiter helps you to save both energy and money. This product also features Grohe's Starlight durable chrome finish and Grohe EcoJoy water-saving technology. All basic functions such as auto flush, shut-off delay, thermal disinfection or cleaning mode activation can be operated by hand via sensor. Combined with the Grohe remote control and the remote app, several additional functions and settings are available. Made in Germany by Grohe, outstanding quality you can rely on, and backed up by our 5-year guarantee. Grohe Eurosmart Cosmopolitan E infrared electronic basin mixers are available in different variants and sizes. The choice is yours. Grohe Eurosmart Cosmopolitan. It's all smart. Looks, technology and price.